I hope you're all set to welcome the Executive Vice President and Head of Corporate Salary from Axis Bank. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming on stage Satpreet Chilawat on the stage. Please welcome him with a good round of applause. Right there, Satpreet is here and will take us through this good story. Over to you. Yeah, that's right.
Can I have the presentation on? Hello, am I audible? Yeah, okay, thanks. There's a presentation, just get that on, please. Yeah. So till the time the presentation comes, very good afternoon. Very good afternoon. Thank you so much. It's a tough session post-lunch. So I've been given the mantle of trying to keep all of you wake up after, I'm sure, a very hearty and tasty lunch that you've had at Novotel. Till the time the presentation comes up, I'll just introduce myself. I'm Satpreet. I lead what we call at Axis Bank the Suvidha program, the corporate salary program for the bank. Corporate salary essentially means employee solutions. Employee solutions for the talent that all of you are and that all of you manage day in, day out in GCCs. And what I'll do in the brief presentation is walk you through what we as a bank think about the ecosystem that all of you operate in. It's like preaching to the choir because I'm sure you know all this more than I do. But at the same time, I'll make an attempt to share what we feel and think about it and how the bank today wants to ensure that we serve you in that journey and we become a partner of choice for all of you, and why should that be a consideration for many of you across GCCs. So as you know, there are close to 1700 plus. Last I read, it's crossing 1800 GCCs across the country now. We are employing close to 2 million plus talent across all of these GCCs in the country. And not only large cities like Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Gurgaon are seeing GCCs, but today entities like yours are getting into tier 2 and tier 3 locations as well. And why is that critical? Because when the ecosystem is getting enlarged as it is today, as you see on the screen, as you're all aware about, the partners that you make come along with you in that journey need to be also of the scale and the ability to customize with all of you in that journey. And I think that's where we believe we do step in and try and ensure that wherever this ecosystem expands to, the bank is able to be present there and enrich and make life easy for all of you. So that's the intent. Clearly, it's a growing space. The number of GCCs will go up every year. Talent crunch gets harder for you as more and more people get employed. So yeah, it's a big story for India today. And as a bank, we are extremely focused and trying to understand the ecosystem very deeply. And I think through the day today, the team has already been here and many interactions with all of you. We are learning as well. And that's the intent of our participation today. What is also unique about what all of you do is that you're not just about one space, one industry. I think GCCs are influencing multiple ecosystems in itself in the country. So it's not just about core tech delivery. It's also about how GCCs are innovating for the pharma industry or for the engineering industry or many, many parts of the country. We heard Fractal talk about AI. We heard so many other speakers come before and talk about how innovation is key. And I think what clearly we are seeing is that GCCs are not entities that are about a uniline or a uni-impact kind of a focus. They are going and impacting multiple industries, not just obviously in India, but globally. And as a country, we are today ensuring that we are kind of promoting that across the country, as you saw in the earlier slide. But where do we step into all of this? And that's what I'll want to spend a little time on. Axis Bank, that I represent today very proudly, is the third largest private sector bank in the country, growing at a pace much, much faster than before. Like I said, the ecosystem that all of you operate in goes beyond just top cities now, goes to a lot more parts of the country. We are today close to 60 million plus customer franchise, and we have more than a lakh of employees working across the Axis Group. 5,500 plus branches. And so even in the age of digital, it's something interesting I'll share. We were doing actually a customer study with a lot of employees across GCC and ITITS. And the question that we asked them, what makes you choose a bank? What makes you choose a partner for your financial needs? Surprisingly, though digital does feature there, the presence of a branch or ATM close by still continues to be something that plays on their mind. And I don't know how many of you would agree with me here. Does it give comfort to you if there is a branch nearby to where you work? A raise of hands maybe for me to see. Yeah, I think the room echoes what we all learned. And hence the network that we carry does make a lot of sense for us to keep growing. And that's what exactly we are doing. Wherever you are, I'm sure there's an Axis Bank branch or an ATM close by, so that if at all you need anything, it's easily available. We do continue to hold a significant market share in the traditional reason why a bank exists, right? Whether it's deposits, safeguarding your money and growing it, or lending money and ensuring that whatever you are trying to create as an asset, buying a home, buying a car or doing anything, of that nature, we continue to have a market share in that space. But what you see on the right side is where we are leapfrogging, I would say, as a bank, and trying to have a market share which is beyond our traditional market share. As I saw during the day, and I'm sure all of you see it more closely, the GCC ecosystem is a lot about innovation. It's a lot about doing things differently. And that's what I feel our bank Axis is doing today. Because if you see, when it comes to UPI, which is the core payment mode nowadays, I'm sure everybody here is a UPI user. There's hardly anybody who doesn't use UPI now. We as a bank are the backbone for 1/3 of those transactions in the country today. And we are the leading bank facilitating UPI transactions. So the transactions that you see having in the blink of the eye, as we heard in another session, are 1 out of 3 all powered by Axis Bank. And that's where our digital might clearly shows through. In a business like cards, credit cards, I'm sure all of you again are aware of, we today have a market share of close to 14% and growing fast. And we have always innovated in that space in terms of doing more and more. I'll take one example here, something you may not have heard about. We just launched, and I couldn't carry a screen of that here. We launched something in partnership with Boat and MasterCard. So having a wearable device, smartwatch on your hand, and your cards being integrated in that smartwatch, and then the smartwatch is just swiped on a terminal where you're trying to pay, and basically you don't need to carry any of your cards along with it, and it's a secure transaction. Such innovations is what we believe we will continue to lead in, and continue to have people who are wanting to be ahead of the way they manage their finances, they manage their payments, bring such things for them. From a profitability lens, we continue to be a very strong bank. I'll not delve on that too much. But what I also want to convey is that we are now not just a bank, we are a full financial group. As you see on the screen, from a capital arm to having our own NBFC arm, having our own trustee securities. What is not mentioned here, that Axis now has Axis Max Life as one of its core entities. So we are now a strong group that brings solutions not just for employees, but even for entities like yours. So when it comes to serving the needs of the GCC entity itself, there are multiple things that we are trying to innovate on. I'll take another example here. We have today something called Neo, which is our digital for corporate solution that allows seamless transactions for corporates like yours for any of their needs. We have the best-in-class digital FX platforms out there. So I'm sure as GCC entities, there are a lot of cross-border transactions that many times that you all have to do. And we have ensured that there are digital solutions available from a corporate lens there, from a entity lens there as well. And there are multiple awards that we continue to be proud of, handful of them mentioned here. The award that we are looking to win is the fastest growing bank in the GCC ecosystem. So that's something hopefully will come our way very soon. Coming to what I stand for, and it's my pleasure to be able to present it to all of you today. Employees of organizations like yours, we know there is a talent crunch in this ecosystem. We know that we are all wanting to ensure that the right kind of talent comes into each of your GCCs, does the right kind of roles there, ensures that you're winning the right kind of business because of that. So enhancing their own skills is obviously a priority for them. What we want to do is make their financial needs, their banking needs to be seamless, to be simple, so that they don't have to worry about it. And as leaders that represent those employees here, whether you are a chief of staff or a talent head or a payroll or a HR head, I'm sure you also want to ensure differentiation when it comes to what you are able to present as a proposition for your employees. And that's where we step in. We customize our offering at n equal to 1 level. So it's not something that I'm presenting here that is available to everybody similarly. Depending on the need of the entity, the offerings that you see on the screen can be customized and can be changed. So I'll just talk very briefly about some of these. As you see, the salary account is in one space on the left side, but the salary account in itself is not the offering. The offering is about every financial need that the employee has. So is my employee's health and is her or his family's health covered? Is that an important question for us? I think it is. And as a bank, we recognize that, and hence we keep that something at the center stage of our conversation when we come to either you or your employees. Because at nominal costs annually, we are today able to provide a 30 lakh health cover, which makes sense because the immediate family, spouse and kids of the employee are covered as well. Again, not just thinking about the employee, but their family. So whatever we offer as part of Suvidha gets extended to the family. Obviously, credit cards and loans play a huge role. That's what clients need. They need great offers. They need great value. They need to be able to transact seamlessly. They need to be able to get a sanction when they need to buy a home. They need to be buying their car seamlessly. So all of those are obviously guaranteed as offerings from our side. And apart from that, yes, the underlying account, the underlying investments, all of that makes sense. But powering all of this, what is at the core today is digital for access. And I want to talk a little bit about it. We call our app, I don't know how many of you are Axis Bank customers. I'll take the risk of asking that question. Not a bad show of hands. So thank you for that vote of confidence. Our app today is the best app rated globally, not just in India. We don't call our app just an Axis Mobile or Axis mobile banking app. It's called Open. So if you go and download Axis's mobile app, it's called Open. Open is something that we stand for. Open is something that I feel resonates with this audience for sure, because I understand your talent works hybrid. I understand they are not going to be necessarily all the time available in office. They are going to be working hours that are necessarily not going to be India time. So there are going to be different things that make stand out this ecosystem. And I think Open resonates in my mind with that, because the philosophy behind calling our app Open is that it's open all the time. It's open. Banking is open to you at any point of time during the day or night. And we are very proud of it because, like I said, we are the best rated app out there. And whatever you see here on the screen is all available through the app. You want a credit card, it's available on the app. You want a loan, it's available on the app. You want to be opening an account, you can start from there. So Open is our philosophy and Open is our app. And I think that's the center stage offering we bring to the table as well. So any of you who have experienced it, any of you who haven't, my recommendation would be you do so. What we also do is that we customize it not just for the entity, like I said, but we also have a ladder of offerings depending on which life stage you are. A first-time salary beginner would have a different life stage requirements than somebody who has been in the industry or working for 20 years plus. And depending on hence something that we understand better, being a bank, we are after all constrained to understand money better than other things. So depending on the salary levels, we do try, you give offerings which are laddered and which resonate with your life stage at different point of time. So our Burgundy offering is our top tier offering. Though above Burgundy for CXOs and plus, we do have something we call Burgundy Private, which starts at a 10 lakh plus salary, and the benefits there are completely different. So it's about ensuring that everybody has something to take away from the bank. It's about ensuring that they get what they need at the different life stage that they are. And lastly, again, something I want to talk about a little more is it's not just about the account, it's not just about finances. What we want to bring as a value to all of you, especially like I said, to the people who are trying to retain talent and show value in your respective organizations, is our ability to engage with your employees, which goes beyond just direct banking. And this is not something that we just have on the screen. Today we do such sessions across close to 10,000 corporates in a month. Today, as a Suvidha program, I have 50 to 60,000 corporates banking with us. Top 50 GCCs, close to 38 of them bank with us. Their employees bank with us. Some part of their ecosystem definitely banks with us. And what we hence bring as a further value is not just saying, hey, open an account, take our products or meet your financial needs. We want to ensure that you are aware that there is a possibility of a fraud, and how to protect yourselves from that. We want to ensure that DNEI is center stage in the conversation, that diversity matters. If for your organization, it definitely matters at Axis, and we partner with you so that the right kind of conversations can happen there. We want to ensure that people are not just living for today, but planning for their retirement. So these are sessions, what we call as beyond banking experiences. So with our masterclass that we do digitally as well as physically, and that's a whole ecosystem apart from direct financial benefits that we try and bring to all of you. So to summarize in the end, at Axis, we are passionate about trying to understand your world better. We are attempting that. We are trying to create solutions that are customized, differentiated for this ecosystem. And I stand before you to be able to convey that we feel we can serve this ecosystem very well. We'll continue to invest to understand it better. We'll continue to seek your mind share. We'll continue to hopefully serve more and more of you. So with that, thank you so much to the platform, ET, everybody here for listening to me after lunch. And I hope it was something that kept you awake for these last 10, 12 minutes. Pleasure being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I think the resounding round of applause, Satpreet, clearly confirms that we all had a great time listening into you for your realistic take. Thank you very, very much.